What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here, and in this video, I want to talk about Clickbank and why 99% of people fail trying affiliate marketing and trying to promote Clickbank products. So if you're here for the first time, this channel is all about helping people live a life and create a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And my primary goal is to help people get closer to the truth of what it takes to build an affiliate marketing business. I know there's a lot of different videos out there showing you how to make $1,000 a day, how to make $20 in the next 5 minutes, but I want to give you the truth and the transparency of what it really takes. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, click that red subscribe button, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So why have I succeeded when it comes to Clickbank marketing, and why are most other people failing? You see, I posted a video about Clickbank for beginners about 5 months ago, and it got over 140,000 views. And while there's great information out there, success is in the details. And I always tell people, watch what I do and not always what I say. So if you see people succeeding with Clickbank, read between the lines. Look at where they're marketing. Look at how many followers they have. Look at the size of their email list. How long have they been online? And I've been online for a very, very long time. And that's why I can have so much success quickly with Clickbank products. I've got a subscriber base of over 48,000 people on YouTube. I've got a list of over 30,000 people on my email list. And so if you want to succeed with Clickbank products, you got to build a brand. Right? If you want to make a few $100s here and there, yeah, Clickbank might work, but you're still going to find yourself hustling a lot for very little to no pay. And it's nothing against Clickbank whatsoever. I'm not bashing Clickbank in this video. But when you give people access to a marketplace that is free and you're teaching the same marketing methods the same way, and you've got hundreds of thousands of people promoting the same products, you wonder why most people are failing. And so when I got started, when it came to Clickbank marketing, I realized that, holy crap, there's a 1% conversion rate on these Clickbank products. I'm gonna need at least 100 to 200 visitors to these products just to make one sale. And if you guys have tried to make money with Clickbank and you're not generating at least 200, 300, 500 visitors a day, you probably understand why you're failing. And the conversion rates even go down further because most gurus are teaching, including myself, go find a product that has 50 to 100 gravity that shows that it's selling really well. And then you find most people that are just following those tutorials creates competition for that one specific product that does have 100 gravity. So yeah, you can go back and you can promote a Clickbank product that's got a gravity score of like 20 to 30. But still, are you actually going to get paid what you're worth? And taking into account, once again, those conversion rates of about 1% to 2%, 1% to 2% if you're lucky, you're going to notice that you're going to need a lot of traffic, thus having to create a lot of video content on YouTube, having to post in a lot of forums, having to post a lot on a blog. And most people, to be honest, aren't willing to do the work that I or other successful internet marketers are willing to do. So that's the truth about why less than 2% of people succeed in this industry, is because it takes a lot of work. And so what's the answer? Well, I recently came across a new way of affiliate marketing, a way where you can promote exclusive offers, which means there needs to be an approval process that people go through. Well, I've teamed up with a business partner of mine that has access to these different offers and high payouts of at least $497 commissions and above, not to mention a 10% conversion rate. So if you're looking to make a change in your affiliate marketing business, you're sick of spinning your wheels, you're sick of doing all these little tactical methods that you see on YouTube, and you want to learn how to make the big money by promoting exclusive offers that are not saturated, that have high payouts, where you can send at 200 visitors and make 10 to 100 times as much as you would otherwise promoting just a general Clickbank product with tons of competition. If you want to get access to this, my business partner is holding an exclusive webinar where he's going to walk you through this whole entire process. You can sign up for it for free. It's going to be below if you're on YouTube. It's going to be in the description. If you're on a landing page, there's going to be a button below. Go ahead and click that button and you can get instant access to this webinar. Whether you jump on the webinar or not, I hope you take this value, you go out there, you make a change in your affiliate marketing business, because the truth of the matter is it's not entirely your fault. You either have to decide whether you're going to put the work and hustle in on a daily basis, or if you're somebody that's looking to maybe work an hour, a half hour a day, and leverage the right systems and leverage the new way of affiliate marketing, then this definitely is for you. So go ahead, click the link below, get registered for the webinar this week, and we will see you on the next page. Take care.